Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about Phylum Annelida. This Phylum Annelida, it is a very broad phylum belonging to the kingdom Animalia, and the annelids are found in aquatic as well as terrestrial environments. And when you look at these annelids, they are bilaterally symmetrical invertebrate organisms, and their segmented body distinguishes them from any other organism. And the example for this Phylum Annelida is earthworm and even leech. The next one, when you look at the characteristics of Annelida, they may be aquatic or terrestrial, free living, and even sometimes parasitic. The next one, the annelids are triploblastic. So what do you mean by triploblastic? The body wall consists of three layers: ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm. So you use the term triploblastic. And metamerically segmented. So here the body of the organism is both internally and externally segmented. So that is why here you use the term metamerism. And coelomate animals. What is coelomate? True coelom present, true body cavity present. You call it as coelomate or eucoelomate. And they also exhibit organ system level of organization. So all the organ systems are present, right? Digestive system, reproductive system, nervous system, right? And the body wall consists of cuticle, epidermis and muscle layer, and they also respire through their body surface. And nephridia help in osmoregulation and excretion, and they also have a well-developed digestive system. And what about the circulatory system here? It is of closed type. And blood is red in color, right? Due to the presence of the pigment. What is that pigment called as red pigment? So you call that as hemoglobin. Okay. Or erythrocruorin. There is another term given, erythrocruorin. And mostly they show direct development. But when you talk about here indirect development, it includes trochophore larva. And neural system, it also consists of paired ganglia connected by lateral nerves to a double ventral nerve cord. Next one, classification of Annelida: Polychaeta, Oligopita, Hirudinea. So what is the classification of Annelida? Here the annelids are classified into Polychaeta, Oligopita and Hirudinea. So when you look at this Polychaeta, the example for Polychaeta is Nereis and even Silas. And what about Oligopita? The very good example what is mentioned here is Ferretima posthuma and even Tubifex. And Hirudinea, Hirudinaria granulosa leech, right? And what about the characteristics of this Polychaeta? Here the body is elongated and divided into segments. They are found in the marine environment, and they are also true coelomates, whereas bilaterally symmetrical worms. And the fertilization is external. They are hermaphrodite. They might possess fin-like appendages called as parapodia. And what do you mean by the term hermaphrodite here? Most of the annelids are hermaphrodites. So male and female organs are present in the same body. That is why here you use the term what? Hermaphrodite. So next one is Oligopita. Even oligochaetas are hermaphrodite, but cross fertilization takes place here. Whereas the fertilization is external in oligochaeta, and cocoon formation occurs. And they do not possess parapodia, but clitellum is present in oligochaeta, right? And Hirudinea, next one is Hirudinea. Most commonly found in fresh water, and even some are marine and even terrestrial and parasitic. And the animals are monoecious. So you have to note it down here. It is called as monoecious, and the body is dorsoventrally flattened. And the organisms lay eggs in cocoons, and there is no larval stage in Hirudinea during the development of the organism. And fertilization is internal here in Hirudinea, and they are also hermaphrodites. When you look at this slide, this phylum Annelida, they are called as segmented worms. I've told you before, it is both internally and externally, they are divided into many segments, so you use the term segmented worms. And here you can look at this examples: Alita, Glycera, earthworm, Hirudo, Medicinalis, Eurychus carpo, and Helopdola species. So all these are examples of phylum Annelida. Thank you.